Hello and welcome to this Advisicon webinar. You may be thinking about using Microsoft Planner for an upcoming project, but don't know which version to use. Well, today I'm going to discuss the differences between Microsoft Planner and Microsoft Planner Premium and help you figure out which would be the best. We will start with an overview of Microsoft Planner and Planner Premium, highlighting what each tool is designed for and the kind of work that they're best suited to handle. Next, we'll dive into the key differences between the two and explore some real-world use cases to help you decide which might work best for your team. Then we're going to look at licensing requirements so you know what's included with your current M365 subscription and what might require an upgrade. Here at Advisicon, we help organizations achieve greater impact by leveraging work management technologies to accomplish more with less. As work management consultants and technology specialists, our focus is on streamlining processes, improving systems, and achieving better outcomes. How about a little bit about me? My name is Scott Allen. I am a senior project and portfolio management consultant here at Advisicon. My career in project management started way back in the United States Navy and continued into my civilian career with managing many types of different projects, including procurement, build-out, installation, and software development. I've used many different project management software tools. I've implemented multiple on-premise instances of Microsoft Project Server, as well as Project Online. I have used Planner and Planner Premium quite a few times, and I'm excited to be presenting this webinar and hope it will be useful to you in managing your projects. So what exactly is Microsoft Planner and Planner Premium? Planner and Planner Premium are powerful tools designed to help teams organize, assign, and track work effectively. Whether you're managing a simple to-do list or overseeing complex projects, these tools offer tailored solutions to meet your needs. Microsoft Planner is a great tool for task management and team collaboration. It's designed to help teams stay organized and is included in most M365 subscriptions, so it's super accessible. Some of its standout features include simple task boards that let you create buckets to organize your work, drag and drop functionality for easy updates, and tools to assign tasks, set due dates, and track statuses. Plus, there are built-in charts that make it easy to monitor progress at a glance. Planner works best for smaller teams and smaller projects, or when you're tracking lighter workloads. It's also perfect for teams that don't want something overly complex, but still need a solid way to manage tasks. Now, Planner Premium is an enhanced version of Planner, which includes features for enterprise and more complex projects. That does require extra licensing for access. We'll cover that a little bit later. Some of its standout features include everything from Planner, but also integration with Power BI for advanced reporting analytics, enhanced security, which includes data retention, more integration and capabilities with Power Automate for workflows, as well as additional project templates. Now, Planner Premium is better suited for large, cross-functional, and complex projects. Now, here we're looking at a standard board for tasks in Microsoft Planner, not Planner Premium. Across the top in red, we have the available views. Now, Planner Premium will also have a views across the top. Now, these are the views that are available in Microsoft Planner: grid, board, schedule, and charts. Now, if you select the ellipses, those three dots across the top here in Microsoft Planner, you will see the other boards that are available, or the other views that are available in Planner Premium. Notice that they're grayed out and unusable. Next, we have tasks, here outlined in blue. Tasks or cards are where you assign people to things and what tasks you want done within that project. Buckets, outlined here in green, are where the tasks go for tracking progress. So for instance, we have the backlog, up next, and in progress buckets. In these buckets, we have these tasks. Assign task is in the backlog bucket. Add additional information to tasks, so forth, is in the up next bucket, and the in progress has customized buckets. The next bucket over in this situation would most likely be complete or done. To better explain this, let's go take a look at Planner and Planner Premium in a schedule view. Here you see Planner on the left and Planner Premium on the right. Up here you can see the views that are available within Microsoft Planner and Planner Premium. Notice over here in Planner, we have our grid view, we have our board view, we have a schedule view, and we have a charts view. Over here in Planner Premium, we also have view grid, we have view board, and we have charts. Now over here on Planner Premium, we have view timeline. So here on the board view for each, we have the to-do list, sprint 1 and sprint 2. Over here on Planner Premium, we also have the to-do list or the backlog, sprint 1 and sprint 2, with tasks in each one of those buckets. Switching to the grid view on each, you see that we have the same tasks, but they're in more of a line item or checklist of getting things done. Notice the difference between Planner and Planner Premium. In Planner, we have no option to create summary tasks like we have in Planner Premium. So for instance, this summary task called onboarding phase, we have multiple tasks under this onboarding phase, and all of the time rolls up in the duration. Now, here in this view, the fields that are available within Microsoft Planner or your columns are simply title, which is your task name, assignment, which is who is doing the task, your start date, your due date, what bucket it happens to be in, whatever progress you have, whatever priority the task is, and labels. You can create your own labels. That is it in Microsoft Planner. Now, when we go to Planner Premium, we have more options. We have our percent complete. We have KPIs, we have task name. Now, not all of these fields are native to Planner Premium. We do have the ability to add columns in Planner Premium. And we can add those columns just like in Microsoft Project. These are local custom fields or custom fields within Planner Premium. We would click on New Field, and here we see we have the option to create a text field, a date field, a number field, a flag field, or a choice field. Let's put these back together. And you see across, we're going to take a look at all the views now. So we've taken a look at the grid view, we've taken a look at the board view, and here the board goes all the way across. We can add as many buckets as we want, but we can't add new fields. The schedule view is simply a calendar with the task on the day it starts to the day that it finishes. And then we have a charts view. Now this is a built-in report within Microsoft Planner that will show you the upcoming tasks, the status of the tasks, priority, and which bucket they happen to be in, and who is doing what work. Over here in Planner Premium, we've seen the grid view, we've seen the board view, now we look at the timeline view. This is more along the lines of the Gantt chart that you would get within Microsoft Project. So we can see these tasks go, and we have the Gantt chart view, and we have a timeline that we can change things to. So we get more detail in Microsoft Planner Premium than we would in Microsoft Planner. The next view that we have available is charts. Now, there are similarities between the two charts. So again, we have a status, we have the bucket, we have the effort per person. We would go to view people, and these are the people that are currently assigned tasks. We don't have that view available over here in Microsoft Planner. So as you can see, I have 2 incomplete tasks in this project. Now, if I had other people that were assigned to this project and they had tasks assigned to them, those tasks would be in the same style, a column for, let's say, Bob Smith, and then the tasks assigned to Bob Smith. And here on View Goals, we can create goals for each task and track each task according to their goals. The assignment view, if I had tasks assigned to other people, the assignment view would show those tasks and where they are assigned. Going back to our grid view, we have the opportunity to open individual tasks. So select the ellipsis beside the task and select the Open Details link. Notice there are differences between the two. In Microsoft Planner, we simply have all of the fields that are currently available. Also, we can repeat the task, and we can create a checklist for the task. If there is other information about this task, let's say there's a document that goes along with it, or there is like an email or 2, we can add those as attachments to the task. So anybody that has access to this project would be able to read that attachment and get more information. Over here on Planner Premium, we also have our start, finish date, our duration, all the information that is available here in the grid view. We can also create checklists, but here we can also track effort that is being spent on this task. We can also have access to all of our custom fields, and the important thing is we can create dependencies, much like predecessors and successors in Microsoft Project. Dependencies are impossible in Microsoft Planner. So keep that in mind when you're deciding which system to use. We can also add attachments, and if this is tied to a Teams channel, we can add a chat to this particular project, and we can have this task have its own individual chat. We can also connect this to goals. Now, we showed goals up in this view. If you notice, we have the goals view. We can connect a task to a goal. So here we have task number 19. We're going to go back to our grid view. We're going to find task number 19. We're going to look at our details, and you see that we have a goal tied to task number 19. The goal would be whatever we set the goal to be, and that is completely up to you and your organization. So those are some of the differences when you're running a schedule or running a project using Microsoft Planner versus Microsoft Planner Premium. There are a lot more options within Planner Premium than there are within Planner. Going back to the grid view, and we can also do this in the board view. I'm going to do this in the grid view first. Let's take a look at these tasks. We have this assignment column. We want to make sure that people are assigned to the task. We would highlight the task and hit the little button here for the assigned resource. And right now, it's giving me the only suggestion that I currently have, which is me in the project. However, if I want to add somebody else to the project that is not currently on the project, I could just add a name. And now I have the option to add another person to this group. Now creating a group, creating the name, that person is now invited to this project and can now be assigned as a resource on a task. The same options can be handled over here on Planner Premium. I already have Mr. Tim Runcie here already picked out or added to this project. I can assign him a task within this project. If I wanted to assign somebody else to a task, it is the same method. Click the plus sign, type the name, and now I can select Mr. Oswald, and he is now assigned to the task. He was already assigned to this task, which is why we didn't have to go through the stuff that we went through on Planner. So now you can see that adding resources to tasks is just that easy. Now, when we go back to the board view, we can see that the task that I assigned David Oswald now has David Oswald assigned, both here and in the task that, there we go, and the task that he's assigned to here. That task is done in this project. As you can see now, going back to the board view, that David Oswald is now assigned to this task. He is also assigned to whatever task I assigned him to over here in Planner Premium. So the task assignment can either be done here or in the grid view. If we look here on these dates, we can add the date when which this task is complete. Completing a task is as simple as clicking the Mark Task as Complete or the Mark Task as Complete, the little red dot. We can set up notifications. We can make things urgent. Both of these planners are very powerful tools, but you can see the Planner Premium does just a little bit more than Planner does. Now, here are some feature comparisons between Microsoft Planner and Microsoft Planner Premium. As a comparison, they're both made to handle task management with ease. However, adding dependencies to automate workflows can really only be done in Planner Premium. Both of them enable notifications. Reporting and analytics is limited to the charts in Planner. Now, data can be exported from Planner into Excel and manually loaded into Power BI for further reporting. But Planner Premium data can be pulled into Power BI and custom reports can be made that way. Additionally, Planner Premium has views providing other analytics that Planner doesn't. So both Planner and Planner Premium can utilize Power Automate, and that will create workflows. However, with more fields available in Planner Premium, you can do more with the workflows because remember, Planner only has those 6 available fields, whereas in Planner Premium, you can create multiple custom fields that you can base workflow steps off of. Now, a quick word about licensing. Microsoft Planner is available by default in all M365 plans. Now, Microsoft has 3 separate plans for using Planner and Project. We have Planner 1, Project Plan 3, and Project Plan 5 at the time of this recording. Planner Premium is available once you start using Planner 1. If you have a Planner 1, Project Plan 3, or Project Plan 5 license, Microsoft Planner Premium is now available. Now, Planner is still available regardless of which licensing model you use. If you have Planner 1, Plan 3, or Plan 5, you can still use the basic Planner, but you also have access to Planner Premium. In summary, Microsoft Planner is a fantastic task management tool, and it's included with all M365 plans. It's a way to organize tasks and collaborate with teams. Planner Premium enhances this experience by introducing advanced features like dynamic task dependencies, custom fields, and goal integration. But it requires an additional license, either Planner 1, Project Plan 3, or Project Plan 5. The standard version of Planner is ideal for basic task tracking, while Planner Premium is designed for more complex project management needs. Your organization can compare the 2 options and decide which solution aligns with their project requirements. Thanks again for joining me today. If you have any questions or need further clarification, please don't hesitate to reach out. Your engagement is valuable to us. For additional learning resources, explore our online academy. We offer a variety of free trainings to enhance your skills. Thanks again for watching, and we'll see you next time.